Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Can wax pearls really turn any container into a candle? Or just arts and crafts with a flame hazard? Today I wanted to see if this product even made sense. Pearled wax. Now the idea here is simple. It's supposed to let you turn almost any container into a candle. Well, maybe not a paper one. This kit came with 2.2 pounds or 1 kilo of wax. I know that conversion from 3D printing and not Colombian sugar. You can turn just about any random thrift find into a candle. Now the packaging is pretty good. It comes in a double thermal sealed vacuum bag, which is a nice way to ship it. But after that, storing the extra wax is kind of on you. And that part isn't great. Let's make the small candle first. So I went to a local thrift store and I found a few containers that looked pretty candle-like. And honestly, that's part of what makes this interesting. Basically, you just fill the container with the wax pearls, and then you stick a wick right down the center. I think you're supposed to trim the wick around a ½ inch above the wax, but I'll be watching it closely, so I think we'll survive. Now the whole idea here is when it burns, the wax melts into a small pool in the center, and then once it gets too low, you just would pull the center out and refill it and replace the wick. So in theory, it's reusable and pretty convenient. And honestly, what is there to say? It works, it's a candle, not fancy, and it kinda looks like dirty sand. I'm not even sure if this would be cheaper than buying a candle at Target. I'm not sure it would last any longer either. But it's a cool product. There's no complicated setup, no real learning curve, and no huge catch. If you had some situation where you needed to make a candle very quickly, you really could. This would actually make sense. So overall, it's kind of an oddball product, but not a bad one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.